Hello guys, welcome to Susie Farm. Today I want to take you around my garden. You see, this is huckleberry. Yes, this is huckleberry that I planted. See, my garden is so healthy, so delicious. You see the way it is. Oh my God, these vegetables are awesome. They're wonderful, packed full with multivitamins, a lot of nutrients. Yes. This is what it is. This is what it is. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? This is my garden very early in the morning. You see the way it is? So green, packed full with vegetables. Yes. You see the way it is? I really just love it. I really just love it. I just thought it wise to show you how my garden look like, how the vegetables are so fresh, so big, so healthy, delicious, and when you cook it, oh my God, you'll be doing something what that we call finger licking. This is how it looks like this morning. Yes, my garden is green. I'm so happy. So today I'll be harvesting this vegetable, and I will also harvest on camera so that I see how I harvest and prepare the whole place. You see, it's nice, isn't it? This is how it looks like. This one are amaranth that I just transplanted 4 days ago. I harvested potato and transplanted. This one is beet. I harvested spinach from here, and I plant beet. It's on a table, you can see on my table. So these are the type of things I really love doing. I love having a garden. This is my own garden of Eden right in my own backyard. I love the way it comes out, and I'm working every day here. So every morning I visit my garden, and every evening I visit my garden. It is that nice. Please go out and start a garden today. Let's plant to feed and take control of our health, because we are actually what we eat. And now so many people are planting with a lot of chemical in our food system. So the only way to stay away from chemicals is only to plant your own food. This is an organic garden. It's small, it's cute, but it gives me a lot of food. Can you see it? I always plant, harvest, replant. Like here, there were potatoes. I've harvested a potato and replant with amaranth. You see, I just planted the seedlings. So in about 1 week, 2 weeks, the whole place will be green. Yes, and these are my beets. These are my vegetable, my cherry tree, my fig tree, my apple tree, and I have some chicken and mushroom that I also grow in that small house. This is my garden. Okay, thank you. If you like content like this, please kindly like, comment, and share to encourage others to plant also. Ciao.